Welcome back to Green Acres Apiary. These are our nuc boxes. If you remember the last video that I showed, I was drilling holes in the nuc boxes. 6 per pallet and 3 full pallets and a partial pallet with a surprise. That's a swarm that we caught yesterday that Becky and JT caught. We're short one lid. I got to drill that. And we got an extra space back here for another swarm trap that we're going to transfer over today. So the bees are flying here. Look at the apiary, it's filling up. So the bees are flying. And we are going to be checking bees later today. So this is one of our demarays here. This is another demaray here, and we have another demaray up on the front line, and we'll be checking those today. So when we get back down here to start dumping packages, we'll come back on and say hello again. So see you in a bit. So this is Bill with Bees All Day. We're back again. We've got all the packages installed. As you can see, some of them are having issues with their new place to live. They can't figure it out. But everybody's got a bucket. Everybody's got a house. These were the last ones that we installed here. So they're still a little shook. And all these down here, it gets better as I go. You got one here that's kind of confused. They don't know whether to go in or stay out. So, yep. So, these were the first ones that were installed. And that was the swarm from yesterday. So everybody looks pretty good. Looks pretty healthy. I had some of them that were a little grouchy, because I think they've been in the boxes a little longer than a couple days. So, but here we go. I think we're looking pretty good. So yeah, they're still a little confused too. So they'll figure it out. Ow, got me. She got me on the finger. All right. See y'all Monday night. Bye.